Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and we are sitting in a really cool 1975 Ford pickup truck. This used to be an F-250 long bed and XLT Ranger, but to be honest with you, the guy wanted to put it on a brand new chassis that we have designed and built, and with that we decided to make it a short bed. And so the bed was cut down, and we had a good friend Kyle do the cutting down of the bed for us. We had a brand new chassis, and we built the truck. So anyways, we're sitting inside it. One of the last little details that we actually need to finish up on it is the steering wheel. We have a new steering wheel that just showed up today. It's from Spark Industries. We're going to Cerakote it, get it leather wrapped to match this beautiful leather, and we'll be just about done with this truck, ready to ship it. So pretty excited about it. But one of the cool things we want to talk about is a dome light. So what we have is a beautiful dome light that's basically sitting right up here, and the dome lights actually come in 3 different colors. So you can get an LED dome light in black anodized, you can get it in polished, or you can get it in brushed, and these are all made out of high-end custom aluminum machine handcrafted products that we've worked really hard to kind of look exactly like the original ones, but actually have a much higher quality feel. So when you pick it up, it's actually heavy aluminum, and then we use the original lenses. They snap right in there, and you got a beautiful LED board, and it's super bright. So you can actually see this one right here is actually glowing, and this is the middle of an Arizona summer, and you can still kind of see it. So here is a couple of variations. So this is a polished one, and it is for the 1964 era to 1972 actually. And then we also have this one right here, one of my favorites, 1953, 1956. This is the black finish, and then of course this is the brush finish, kind of that machined look for 1973 to 1979. So the question is, why would you actually want to buy an upgraded LED light? Well, I suppose you could just go in and buy those little LED clips that just kind of snap in there. I actually did that one time, and it started to smoke. I was like, well, turns out maybe that's not such a good idea. It was built poorly, and it started to create some issues. And so, but here's one of the cool things. One, they're a lot brighter. So when you're inside your truck and it's nighttime, and you got that tiny little yellow bulb that's just barely glowing, you can't see anything. These, at night, I open the doors, it's just a nice ambiance I can see. The next thing is it's not gonna, the lens isn't actually going to turn yellow over time. And so you've got some really nice lenses that are here, and with the original bulb, they'll actually get hot, they'll actually kind of cook, maybe even warp, and change the color of the lens. And so super cool. And it's actually not plastic, that's been chromed. So a lot of the ones you're getting, there's just a piece of plastic, they have a little chrome layer on it, film, and that's it. Much heavier, much more solid, pretty easy. We got instructions that come in the box. You're going to get all the mounting hardware that you need to install it, and you're going to get maybe a few stickers as well. So definitely a must-have upgrade for any classic pickup truck. It's definitely way easier to see. You drop something on the ground, you're going to be able to pick it up and find it actually. So definitely something that one of the first products we created actually were dome lights. We kind of got that going. That felt like that was one of the dumbest things that we'd go put in a truck, put a dome light in there, and it doesn't actually do anything for you, which for 60 years people use those same dome lights. So nice little upgrade, super good quality product for your Ford pickup truck, and definitely something that you can go to our website and you can purchase. So with that, if you want more information on a lot of the products that we're producing here at Fender Garage, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that little bell. You'll get notifications on when new things are coming up. And the links to these products are going to be down in the description, or you can just head over to the website and you can find it. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and for all the latest and greatest things that are happening here at Fender Garage. And if you're new to this channel, every Tuesday we have some kind of a tech or tip or product that we're showing off. Make sure you check in every Tuesday for a new video. With that, we'll see you next Tuesday.